Hey, do you want to learn how to add custom domain from Cloudflare to Totalum AI App Builder project? In this video, I'll show you how to do that. So on your accounts.totalum.app page, you're going to find your projects. Towards the right hand side under your projects, you're going to find your project here. So you do need to make sure that you have upgraded it to the basic plan, the business plan. And if I go over to Totalum pricing page, you can see here, the business plan is $59 per month. In it, you'll find the custom domain capability. On the starter plan, you do not get the ability to add a custom domain. And you also do not get the ability for deploying it and hosting it. So yeah, this is what it is. So you do need to upgrade it to the business plan. It says basic here. That's what it is actually. So right here, you need to press on the open button, and then it's going to take you inside this project. After that, on the top right corner, you're going to find this publish button. Click on that. And if you have already added a domain before, then you need to press on this manage domain. You need to remove this domain that is added. After that, for you, if you have not yet added anything, it's going to show up like this. Want to use a custom domain? Just need to press on this add custom domain button. And under the domain field, you need to enter in your domain name. Now we will go over to cloudflare.com and you need to log into your account. After that, you're going to find here under search domains, and you will have your domains here. So for example, I want to add this learndigitaltools.com domain to my Totalum AI project. I can go inside. On the right hand side, you will also see this DNS. You can press on the DNS records, or on the left hand side, you can also press on this DNS and it's going to give you a drop down, press on records. Then on the right hand side, this page is going to open up, scroll down. If there is any data here or records, you need to remove them. So what you need to do is just press on this right here to select both of these fields, or if you've got 4 of these fields, just select all of them. And then right here, you'll see delete 2 records. Let's press on it. And then you need to type in delete here and then press on delete button. And that's it. We have now deleted all the records from this DNS records page. Next up, you need to press on this add record over here. And let's go back to Totalum here. And we actually need to add this domain first. So learn digital tools or whatever it shows up for you. Just copy it and paste it under the domains field. Now there's one catch. You do need to add a subdomain here. It's not going to take your main domain and add the website on it. It needs a subdomain. So all you need to do is just type in app dot, and this is going to be a domain. So add a subdomain like this. Now this app can be anything. It can be a tool.learndigitaltools.com. It can be dashboard, anything you want. Just type it here and then press on the add custom domain button. Next up, you can scroll down here and you'll find DNS configuration required. You need to add 2 of these fields. So first one is txt record. So we will go back to Cloudflare here, add record, and then here in type, let's press on it. And then you need to scroll down and you'll find txt. Let's select that. In name field, we need to go back to Totalum, and here in name, we're going to copy it and paste it right here. Go back to Totalum again, and you'll find the value field. Copy this, go back again to Cloudflare, in content, add it, and then save it. We need to add one more. So let's press on the add record button again. And this time I'm going to select this type field. And right here, I will select CNAME record. Let's go back to Totalum again. And for this CNAME record, we need to type in this right here, the name app. For you, if you have added anything else for the subdomain, it's going to show up here. So if you have added tool.yourdomain.com, it's going to say name, and then it's going to say tool here. So you need to copy it, go over here, and paste it in the name field. Go back to Totalum again, and for the target, I'm going to copy this, go back again to Cloudflare, and paste it in the target field. And that is it. Now let's press on the save button, and you have now successfully added both of your host records in Cloudflare. Let's go back to Totalum again, and you need to scroll up, and then right here, you need to refresh the status. Once you refresh it, that is it. It says active. The SSL is pending, but it doesn't matter. It usually takes like 24 to 48 hours for propagation, but this was fastest till now. So once you have propagated it, just need to press on the Publish Now button, and it's going to take another 2 or 3 minutes to publish the app, and that should be it. Your Cloudflare domain would be added to your app after this, and that's it. It says published successfully, and it shows you your domain here. Let's press on the Open App button, and that's it. I can see on top here, you got your domain name. It's on your website, it's on this domain name. And if I click on this on the left hand side of this URL, you can see connection is secure. So the SSL is also added, and I can just roam around the website and it works completely fine. So yeah, that's all you need to do in order to connect Cloudflare to your Totalum AI app builder project. I hope this video helped, and if you want more guides on Totalum AI, it should be available on the right hand side. See you there. Bye for now.